Welcome to the Village of Harmony, a place where people of all races, cultures, and backgrounds live together in peace and happiness. In Harmony, the gardens are as diverse as its people, with flowers of every color blooming beautifully. One day, a new family moved into the village. They came from a faraway land and brought with them different customs and traditions.
I wonder what new stories and traditions they bring with them.
Hi, I'm Lila. Would you like to play with us?
Okay, I'd like that.
But not all the children were as welcoming. They whispered and pointed, making Amina feel uncomfortable.
Why are you treating Amina differently? Just because she looks different and has different customs doesn't mean she's not like us. Our village is special because of its diversity. We should celebrate our differences, not fear them.
We're sorry, Amina. Can you teach us about your culture?
Sure, I'd love to share stories, songs, and games from my homeland.
As Amina shared her culture, the children of Harmony learned new things and grew closer together. The Village of Harmony became even more vibrant and united. The children understood that respecting and embracing each other's differences made their community stronger and more beautiful. Remember, treating everyone with respect, regardless of their race, culture, or background, helps us all live together in peace and harmony, just like the colorful flowers in a garden. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories from Harmony.